Have you ever wondered who decides the frequency of the power grid? Is it the grid or is it the inverter? In this video, I will explain the difference between grid following and grid forming inverters using a very simple analogy. Today, power systems are changing. We are adding more solar and wind energy. Because of this, inverters are no longer just supporting the grid. They are becoming a part of the grid itself. Before going on to the technical terms, let us first understand a simple analogy. Think of a power grid like music. Music needs rhythm and timing. Similarly, power grid needs frequency and voltage. First, let us see grid following inverter. A grid following inverter is like a singer wearing headphones. The singer listens to the music first and then sings in sync with it. In the same way, a grid following inverter listens to the grid voltage. It uses a control system called phase lock loop, or we can call it PLL. And what does this PLL do? PLL is like the ear of the inverter. It listens to the grid, detects the frequency and phase, and then locks onto it. So, without the grid, PLL has nothing to track and inverter cannot operate. So, if the grid is not present, the grid following inverter cannot operate. Now, let us move to grid forming inverters. A grid forming inverter is like a drummer in a band. The drummer starts the beat and all the musicians follow the rhythm. Similarly, a grid forming inverter creates its own voltage and frequency. It does not wait for the grid. Instead, it behaves like the grid itself. Other inverters can synchronize to it. Let us get into a simple comparison. So the difference is very simple. Grid following inverter follows the grid. Grid forming inverter forms the grid. One is a follower, the other is a leader. As we move towards future power systems with high renewable penetration, grid forming inverters will play a very important role in maintaining the grid stability. And the power system engineering course is live with specialized topics. The first topic is the difference between grid forming and grid following inverters. Thank you for watching. If the video helped you, please like, share and subscribe.